Amazon just started permanently blocking apps on your Firestick. If you're seeing warning messages, here's what's really happening and how to protect yourself. At the end, I shall provide you a solution. Amazon has launched a massive global crackdown on third-party apps for Firestick and Fire TV devices. For the first time ever, they're actively blocking side-loaded applications that they consider piracy threats. Apps that worked perfectly fine yesterday might be completely disabled today. This is happening worldwide right now. Third-party apps are applications not available in the Amazon App Store. You install them through tools like Downloader, giving you access to content beyond Amazon's approved list. Millions of Firestick users rely on these apps daily, but Amazon has decided to block them permanently. When you try to open a blocked app, you'll see one of two warning messages: harmful app disabled, or a warning page that says the app will be disabled even if you click Launch anyway. The first warning says harmful app disabled and claims the app contains malware. You get two options: dismiss or uninstall. The second warning is more direct. It states one or more apps on your device have been identified as using or providing access to unlicensed content, including this app, and will be disabled. There's a Launch Anyway button, but clicking it does absolutely nothing. The app stays blocked. Amazon even created a new FAQ page explaining their app blocking program. Here are the apps confirmed blocked so far: BTV in some versions, FlixVision, Film Plus, Cinema HD in certain locations, and Movie HD. More apps are being added to this list every day. If your favorite streaming app suddenly stopped working, this is why. Amazon is scanning your device and disabling apps they don't approve of. The real issue. Amazon claims this is about protecting users and content creators from piracy, but there's a bigger issue nobody's talking about. Streaming costs are out of control. Netflix, Disney+, Apple TV+, HBO Max, they all keep raising prices. Sports packages cost hundreds per year. The average person now pays over $150 monthly just to watch their favorite shows and sports. That's nearly $2,000 a year. Broadcasters keep bidding higher for sports rights and passing those costs to consumers. People are tired of juggling 10 different subscriptions with confusing interfaces and constant price hikes. Amazon's crackdown is creating a locked ecosystem. You can only use apps they approve. You're forced into their choices, their prices, their restrictions. Tech experts say consumers are frustrated with this fragmented, expensive streaming experience. You're stuck paying more for less control. And now Amazon is removing your alternatives, while streaming services continue raising prices every few months. The solution. Here's what most people don't realize. There's an easy way to access unlimited channels in full HD and 4K quality without Amazon's restrictions or multiple expensive subscriptions. Professional streaming configurations give you access to thousands of channels, sports, movies, and shows, all in one place with zero buffering. This is what major cable companies don't want you to know about. If you're tired of Amazon's restrictions and rising streaming costs, we provide complete professional streaming setup services. Everything is pre-configured and ready to use. Save hundreds compared to cable and multiple streaming subscriptions. Contact information is in the description below. Let's set up your streaming the right way.